Good morning world, this is part 2 of the ultimate man cave build. Yeah, I know, it's been a journey, a few months, all due to the delivery problems in the market, but we're there. So let's have a look at what we achieved with this man cave. Small update, as you can see, the lights are finally being fitted, the final setup, the cupboards are here, the floor is already here, it's going to be an existing floor, it's coming back, and the guys are now finishing it off. So next video will be, or next video, who am I talking about? Next video, same video, but next fragment you will see the final result, I think, of this beautiful man cave. So I'm pretty happy. The color, the red is absolutely stunning, the white is perfect, the ceiling is perfect, and well, the guys are doing a superb job here. While we're at it, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, spread the word, do whatever you want, but join me on this journey with Mr. 308. And if you like what we're doing with the cavemans, join us and maybe we can build your cave, man cave, girl cave, office cave, or whatever cave in the future. It will be fun. I am so excited, yes, because I'm gonna show you today the result of the ultimate man cave build. Yes, our first true official project with MisterCaveman.com, and I'm pretty happy with the result. So close your eyes, yes, close your eyes. That is what I meant. Here we are. And well, I'm not gonna waste any more time. This, I know that guy. Different story. This is the final result. And when you think that this side is special, wait until I turn around. This is what we've been creating the last few months. A caveman for two beautiful Ferraris. And well, what shall I say? Just, if you're passionate like I am and like the owner of these cars, then you need a room like this where you can hang out with your friends, where you can enjoy your car, where you can work on the car if you want to. And it's very important that the room has your own identity. And here, what you can see, for example, the owner has some very special shoes that match the cars. And well, this whole place breathes his identity. And that's what we wanted to create, his identity. And well, I'm pretty proud. Final result. You know what? Just play a game. Or before we do have a look around, I want to start with the lighting. If you see, can you see? Yeah. Here we got multiple zones like this. And what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna turn it off. I have to discover it. Off. Well, it's dark now. We got this one. Oh. Ah, there it is. That's the basic lights of the man cave all the way around. And it separates the ceiling from the walls. And then we have there the lights near the television with that beautiful 599 in the background. And here we have special lighting to light up the shoes. Then we have, I have to turn around, a lighting for the wall, and the wall is going to be filled in the future with memorabilia, but also there we have a wall lighting, and then you have the different zones like this, and now you can see it's getting very bright in here. So you have this one, and I'll show you. Sometimes my arms are just not long enough. Here we have the 599 and the challenge stradale lit up, and everything is dimmable. Takes a while, but you get the idea. I'll leave this one out. You know what? Playing around. hey guys, that's well. I have to admit, I'm pretty proud of the result. I'm pretty proud of the result. This place is really awesome, and just wait, I'll turn you around. Et voila. Well, guys, come on. Absolute beast. And you know this one. But look at this. Another well, all-time favorite, I guess. It's nothing beats the sound of the challenge stradale. And just have a look at the interior while we're at it. Oh. This thing is insane. Absolutely stunning. Very special. Well, so I just got distracted. That's what happened when you have a challenge stradale in your neighborhood, or a 599. So, back to the business. Hey, here we are again. Like I said, this is the final result. And well, we got some very special things here, like chairs with the Ferrari logo. Of course, the arcade. Every man cave needs an arcade. A television to watch my videos on or watch Formula 1. A refrigerator. Everything is here. Even a sink for, because you need to wash the cars. The room is completely heated. It's just a nice place to hang out with your friends. So I'm very happy with the result. Hope you are too. In my opinion, this is the ultimate man cave, and I'm very proud of the result. I'm starting to get repeat. So thank you for watching. Like it, subscribe, or whatever, but spread the word. I want to make man caves like these. I want to help you guys, and spread the word, and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.